Today we're here at Citizen UK, who are in full preparation for their annual open house. I've been very lucky to be given a behind the scenes tour by Chris, and we're going to see what machines they have on the shop floor now, ready, and what brand new machines will be here when customers come to visit. Now, Chris, before we get going, this doesn't quite look like a machine to me.
Well, technically it is. But no, this is a Hope giveaway bike. So this won't be the actual bike what you win, but you'll be able to spec a bike that will look pretty much like this. So you better choose your frame size, handlebar size, wheel size.
And that's for anybody who visits the open house?
Yes, anyone who comes in and puts into the raffle.
Well, I think I'll be here and I'll be putting my name down.
My name is already in there.
Now, Chris, the BNE 65, but this looks like it's ready to go.
So this is a customer machine, just been turnkeyed, ready to go out. But what's going to be in this place is the new B&J 51 SY7, brand new machine, which you'll be able to see at EMO as well. So it's very similar to the old B&J, beefed up turret, bigger ball screws, more power, but the biggest thing is the sub-spindle turret is now beefed up again, and all its modular tooling. So the tooling from the main spindle turret can go onto the turret on the sub-spindle now, which is a big change.
So that will give customers more flexibility on the work they can do because they'll be able to do bigger work on it,
Yeah.
harder materials, and again, get through anything they need to.
And then the B&E tooling will even fit on the sub-spindle turret as well, which is a big change.
Now that's something I am really looking forward to. Now, the M32.
It's a flagship sliding head machine, go up to 38mm capacity. It's got gang, turret and rear gang. Pretty much anything what you can fit into a 38mm bar the machine will make.
And all these machines will actually be running and cutting material at your open house.
In anger.
Now, moving on, we've got the BNE 51.
My favourite machine. Always got a good superimposed demo. That's all what the machine's about. Twin spindle, twin turret, 3 tools in cut, up to 65. I know that's a 51, but we do a 65mm version as well.
I'll tell you what, at the open house, it is always a showstopper.
Yeah.
With the demos you program, it's not just the BNE. If you come to the open house, trying to get in front of one of these machines is always a nightmare because the crowds love them. Because you're not scared to do things in anger.
That's what I mean. You've got to lean into it, haven't you? You've got to show what the machine's capable
Well,
of.
and that's it. If you show what they're capable of, that gives the customer confidence when they have to do their work. So next up.
ANX, really good little machine. Twin turret, twin spindle. Again, it's all about the superimposed machining, but also LFV on this one.
Beautiful. Now, I want to move on because we're moving on to a machine I've never seen before, the ABX 80.
So this is the brand new ABX 80. So 80mm through spindle capacity on the main, 65mm through spindle capacity on the sub. Both spindles are 18 kilowatt spindles as well, so a massive increase, especially on the sub spindle, which has gone from 7.5 to 18.
Wow.
Also, new casting design, and the ball screws have gone from 25mm up to 32mm. So it's become a lot more accurate and less thermal.
Stable.
Yes.
Now, what makes me laugh is, I think this machine will even take everything you have to throw at it. Now, obviously, the BNA 82, 42, there you go, sat in the corner. That's going to be here for the open house. Another great little demo with the tool changer.
So this isn't with the tool changer, but we're having a cobot fully integrated onto it with auto door. So if you want to come and see that, that'll be a really cool little integration. Again, box slideways with LFE as well.
Now, talk to me about LFE, because you guys are actually on your new machines bringing LFE to a new level.
Yes, so 7 years in the making now, and globally LFE's been released. But the next thing is having 4-axis simultaneous, where you used to only be able to use 2-axis. So you could choose either to use it on the main or the sub, or you could use 1-axis on both spindles. At the moment now, with the new technology, you can just use it where you want, when you want, with 4-axis simultaneous.
Surely that makes it easier for your customer to program as well, because before where they had to be quite clever with their programming to use LFE on, like I said, the main or the sub, now they can just turn it on and let it go.
Yeah, so if you take an existing program, you know, a non-LFE program, you don't have to worry about weight codes and trying to fit the LFE into, you know, I want it on the main spindle more, I want it on the sub spindle, and you're having swarf problems on both spindles. You can just turn it on both, and you've got full contouring on both spindles now.
Wow. Now, I just want to make a point, like, all these machines look like they're ready to go. But your showroom here and your other showroom, you have quite a lot of machines on site ready to go at any point for customers to visit.
Yeah, so all our showrooms, so this is the PDR area, all of these machines are ready to go to customers. But the showroom over there, that's always got machines in there, ready to cut, ready to show people what they can do. Basically.
And you actually have people on site every day. So if somebody wants to pop in and have a look, there's somebody here to show you around.
So the two guys, which we probably walk past there, Kieran and Martin, they're basically our on-site technicians. They are doing test cuts, phone calls, app support, and keeping the machines ready for the customers to turn up and have a demonstration at a short notice.
Well, the thing is, a lot of people now they get working and all of a sudden they need a new machine now. We don't seem to have it in the industry now where people have work coming in and can prepare for it. It's works here, we need a machine.
Yeah.
So is that been a real positive for your customers to be able to have this ready on site?
Yeah, 100%. If they can drop in at a short notice, drop of the hat, get in, see the machine, that's the right machine. A few days later, it's on the lorry.
Now, Chris, as a lot of people will want to know, at your open house, have we got any deals going?
Of course, there's always a deal that can be done. So just come down and speak to the sales team, see what can be done.
Now, something else we've mentioned on this tour is you're giving away a bike. But that's not the only thing you're giving away. You're actually giving away a daily prize. So what is it?
A Citizen watch, so one can be won every day.
And as everybody knows, Citizen watches just look incredible. Now, while we stood here, that is a very, very good demo. I've been here and seen it in person, but what else have we seen?
So just on the right here is the new website, and this is our Fusion and Wizard link, which has been launched now, and hopefully we should be launching some new machines for the post-processors, which is pretty cool.
And that just makes it even easier for your customers to program their machines.
And very cheap software.
Oh, I can't argue with that. Now, this room we're in right here, and the next room we're going to visit, what's going to be happening in here?
So a lot of our suppliers, so tooling, work holding, CAD suppliers, the whole works will be in here.
And what does that give a customer? You having all them partners in all different places in the industry, what does that give your customers?
A full solution, so we can give them a turnkey from start to finish. We can supply the tooling, we can supply the work holding, we can supply everything, software.
So people really do need to come down and visit your open house. So when is it on?
From the 7th to the 9th of October.
And that's here at your Citizen Turning Centre of Excellence on Briley Hill.
Yes.
Not at the other facility, which is
Bushy. Don't go to Bushy.
So make sure you come here between the 7th and the 9th of October and see what these guys have to offer.